Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this double amper from Lifewit. It comes with installation instructions right over here, so let's get started. So this is the amper, and what you're going to do is that you have this supporting rods right here, and all you have to just do is you have 6 of this, and you want to take the rods and you just want to pass them through to hold it. Okay, so you're just going to pass it through this hole right here and connect it in there over it, and that stands it. And you just repeat the same thing on all the sides. Very easy. This amper has 2 compartments, and it also has this laundry bags, and so that you don't have to take this whole amper when you're going to put your laundry in the washer. So these are detachable and they're very durable. So what you're going to do is that you have the handles right over here, and you have this section over here. So all you do is you take this section, you clip it on here, and you take the other section, you clip it on here. Very easy to do. The capacity for this amper is 105 liters, so it's quite big, and I like that it has this separate store compartment, because it allows you to be able to sort your colors and your white clothes. As you can see, this amper is very lightweight, and the lid is very flat, and also it's lightweight, and I love how durable it is. Even once you have all your clothes in, your clothes fits really nicely, and it's very good for people like if you're in a dorm room, if you're in a space, small space, it also works good. And they do come in a darker color, but I do like this color. So this is my newest amper. Totally amazing. I totally love it.